Hey everyone, today we're at B1 Spirits in Dixon. So you've got a walk-in refrigerator right here. So let's have a look. Pretty big. Have plenty of evaporators. Both evaporators have 3 sets of fans, there's about 6. They're sellers. There's the coil. Hydrogen injector. Ice. That's about it really. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next episode. Bye.